Welcome to the Biotechnology lecture series. This is the 6th lecture on cell biology. In this lecture, we will cover introduction, history, types of cell, components of nucleus, structure, and functions of nucleus. The nucleus is a crucial organelle found in eukaryotic cells, serving as the control center and housing genetic material. It plays a pivotal role in various cellular activities, including gene expression, DNA replication, and cell division. The origins of the term nucleus can be traced back to 1831, when Scottish botanist Robert Brown first introduced it. Initially, Brown described the nucleus as a prominent structure observed within plant cells. However, it was during the 19th century that significant advancements in microscopy techniques allowed for a more in-depth exploration of the nucleus, unveiling its critical role in various cellular processes. There are two types of cells with nuclei: eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells possess a true nucleus, including plant, animal, fungi, and protist cells, and prokaryotic cells, such as bacteria and archaea, lack a true nucleus and have a nucleoid region instead. In both plant and animal cells, the nucleus is centrally located within the cell and enclosed by a double membrane structure called the nuclear envelope. There are several components of the nucleus, which are nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, chromatin, nucleolus, and nucleoplasmic reticulum. Nuclear envelope is a double membrane structure surrounding the nucleus, separating it from the cytoplasm, and it is composed of an outer and inner membrane, perforated with nuclear pores for material exchange. Nucleoplasm is a gel-like substance within the nucleus, where other components are suspended, and contains chromatin, nucleolus, and various enzymes. Chromatin is a complex of DNA, RNA, and proteins. It appears as thread-like structures like chromosomes during cell division, and it also contains genetic information and plays a crucial role in gene expression and DNA replication. Nucleolus is a prominent structure within the nucleus, and it's involved in the assembly of ribosomes, ribosome biogenesis, and the synthesis of ribosomal RNA. Nucleoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubules and cisternae found in some cells, extending from the nuclear envelope, and may be involved in various cellular processes, including nuclear export and protein transport. The structure of nucleus is typically spherical or oval in shape. Its size and shape can vary based on the cell type, stage of the cell cycle, and other factors. The nuclear envelope surrounds the nucleus, comprising the outer and inner nuclear membranes with nuclear pores for transport. Now let's talk about the functions of the nucleus, which are genetic information storage and transmission, gene expression, DNA replication, ribosome biogenesis, and regulatory functions. Nucleus stores genetic information in the form of DNA, which contains instructions for protein synthesis and cellular function, and ensures the accurate transmission of genetic material during cell division. Gene expression involves two main steps: transcription and translation. Transcription, occurring in the nucleus, converts DNA into mRNA. This mRNA exits the nucleus through nuclear pores and is then translated into proteins in the cytoplasm by ribosomes. DNA replication is essential for cell division and growth, occurs within the nucleus, and ensures each daughter cell receives a complete set of genetic information. Nucleolus, within the nucleus, is responsible for ribosomal RNA synthesis and ribosome assembly, and are crucial for protein synthesis and are essential cellular components. The nucleus regulates various cellular activities by controlling gene expression and DNA repair processes, and it responds to cellular signals and environmental cues, influencing cellular responses and adaptations. The nucleus is a vital organelle responsible for storing and transmitting genetic information, gene expression, DNA replication, ribosome biogenesis, and regulatory functions within the eukaryotic cell. Its structure and functions are essential for the proper functioning and survival of the cell. Here are some questions related to the topic. Number 1. Where is the nucleus typically located in a eukaryotic cell, and what surrounds it? Number 2. What is the double membrane structure that encloses the nucleus in both plant and animal cells? And number 3. How does the location of the nucleus in a cell contribute to its functionality and genetic regulation? That's all from this lecture. See you in the next video for lecture number 7. And let's not forget to subscribe to this channel.